Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Charmander in Pokémon X and why. To begin, you must first complete your journey through the Kalos region and defeat the Elite Four, earning the title of champion. Once you have achieved this significant milestone, a special opportunity awaits you. This initial step is crucial for unlocking the chance to receive this beloved Fire-type Pokémon. After becoming the champion, make your way to Professor Sycamore's lab, which is situated in the vibrant Lumio City. Upon your arrival, the professor will warmly congratulate you on your impressive accomplishment. As a special reward for your dedication and skill, he will present you with a choice of one of 3 classic Kanto region starter Pokémon: Charmander, Squirtle, or Bulbasaur. Simply select Charmander to add it to your team. Once you have Charmander, you can look forward to its exciting evolution journey. Your Charmander will evolve into Charmeleon when it reaches level 16, gaining increased power and new moves. Further training will lead to its final evolution into the formidable Charizard at level 36. What's more, Charizard has the unique ability to undergo 2 distinct Mega Evolutions during battle, significantly boosting its stats and changing its type or ability. Choosing Charmander brings many advantages to your Pokémon team. As a Fire type, it provides crucial coverage against Grass, Ice, Bug, and Steel-type Pokémon. Its final evolution, Charizard, is known for its impressive special attack and speed, making it a formidable offensive force. With the added power of its 2 Mega Evolutions, Charizard can adapt to various battle situations, making Charmander an excellent and versatile choice for any trainer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.